So in this video we're just going to go over the steering system and axle system on a go-kart. And to begin with, we're going to start with the steering wheel hub, or steering wheel mount, sorry I should say. And I'm lucky enough where my go-kart already had, or go-kart frame already had the front steering system hooked up, so all I had to hook up with this was this hub. And then after that we move on to the axle. With the axle, the first thing that I do is measure it out to make sure that it's centered on my chassis. After that, we proceed to slide the sprocket and then the caliper disc, followed by the wheel bearings, which I ended up switching out in the end because they didn't fit onto my cart. But on here we used the axle that was already it had teeth on it, opposed to having a keyway slider. It just worked better and honestly was quite cheaper. This is about the time where I realized that my mount wasn't going to work, so I had to buy some off of Amazon, and got my buddy to weld them on for me. And last but not least, we're finally putting it onto the chassis, which was quite an easy process. And yeah, that'll wrap it up for this one. Stay tuned for I think I'm doing the engine mount next, and then the wheels and chair after that.